Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly unboxing one of my recent pieces from Van Cleef & Arpels. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is the item I'm going to unboxing with you guys here on my channel. I actually got the item yesterday and I want to wait it until I get time to create these videos. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is, let me see, what is this? It should be yeah, it's just a receipt. So this is a vintage Alhambra yellow gold with diamond item. If you know my wish list, my collections, and please comment down below what I got. It should be an easy guess, I guess. It is a necklaces, and then they also have a booklet. I believe this is a Van Cleef booklet, has all the histories, and also it has the care services booklet. Let's see what it's inside. So this is basically has all those different languages. It has English, French, Japanese, Chinese, and Korea, and all different languages, just basically telling you how to taking care of their items for those malachite, for mother of pearl, or for the 18K gold items. So this is a booklet with the purchases, and also they will provide you with the certificate. So it will have a certificate like this. And let's go ahead and go to the real part. Very exciting part. This is the actual product. Actually, my essays just gave me this little pouch for my travel use. So can you guess what I got? So thank you, my essay, to actually having these red ribbons. It's really pretty. Let's open them together. Okay, here we go. Let's open together. Here we go. Look at this. This is my yellow gold with diamond necklaces from the vintage Alhambra collections. Very pretty. Let me take a look. Oh my god, in real, I don't know if the camera can really tell the sparkling. It's very shiny and sparkling. Oh my goodness, this is really pretty. And my sales told me this is never unboxed item, brand new from Europe. So as soon as she got this item, she actually texted me and I went to the boutique and purchased this. So very shiny. Nobody even tried on for this item. So very pretty. Very happy with these purchases. Oh my goodness. Actually, in the store, I am kind of in between. Either I should get the white gold or the yellow gold. I tried both of them on. I think it's because of my skin color. My skin tone actually go well with the yellow gold better than the white gold. And another reason that I get the yellow gold is that because I want to match with my bracelets. My vintage Alhambra 5 motif bracelets here, matchy, and my next wish list I already have is gonna be an earring from these collections as well. I have my eyes on the yellow gold earrings. Let me quickly put it on to show you what it looks like. I just quickly put it on. I put it on the shorter length, and everybody know that Van Cleef have these two circle that you can put it in the longer length or shorter length. I personally like the shorter length, so I just put it on. It's very shiny in real. If you can tell, let me put it closer so that you can have an idea what it looks like. Very sparkly in real person. And as I talked about this before, Van Cleef necklaces, the chain is very shiny than the other brand, and I really like this a lot. So this is how the yellow gold with diamond look like on me. Very happy, very excited about these purchases, and it actually been on my wish list for quite a while, and I finally got it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel.